Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear door panel on a 2018 Honda Ridgeline. Start out by taking a small flathead screwdriver and we're going to pry down on this groove right here to pop this cap out, and we're going to do the same thing with this cap right here. And then behind in there is two Phillips screws that need to come out. And another Phillips screw down in here. And then come around to the bottom inside edge of the door panel, and if you feel around on the side here, you can feel that the door panel overhangs the door a little bit, and you can get your hand on there and pull out on the door panel, and that releases the clips that hold the door panel onto the door. And just work your way around the door panel, just pulling out on it. And then you get to a point where the door panel feels like it's pretty much loose, but it's just going to be hanging on this top edge. So what you're going to do is you just want to lift up on the door panel, and it releases it from right there. And then just come around to the back side here, and this interior door handle, you just pull out on it and it comes off. And then we have this wiring plug we got to unplug, and there's a tab right there. Just push in on it and pull out. That's the tab right there. And then this wiring harness is held to the door panel with this clip. Just slide this clip towards the outside of the door and it slides right out. And that's it, guys. That's how you take the door panel off. Thanks for watching.